Hello, do you know the number bonds for addition for the number 5? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, number bonds. What that means is it's two numbers, in this case we're doing addition, so two numbers that added together equal 5. So for example, you could have the number 3 here, and what number plus 3 equals 5? Well done, it's 2. So that would be a number bond, because together they equal 5. So I'll give you another one. What about 1 plus what? Yes, 4. 1 plus 4. That would also equal 5 as well, wouldn't it? So I'm going to write this one, and you're going to tell me if this is a number bond for 5. Okay? Is that a number bond for 5? No, it's not. Well done. Because that would equal 6. So it's not 5, is it? So this one equals 5 and this one equals 5. Okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!